Alright, what's up guys? Got the Mach here. As you can see, put on some BC Racing coilovers. I'm gonna get started because I've been waiting for Devin for a while, but yeah, we'll see how. It's a pretty straightforward install. I took some notes of my level where my car is sitting at. So as you can see by this very detailed drawing, this is the front. It's kind of off everywhere. It's basically a banana on wheels, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that today, all right? So don't worry. So Devin's on his way. I got too excited, so I pulled this side out. Never mind, Devin's here. But this is the reason why I'm getting coilovers. So this shock should like spook back up real quick, but that's kind of fucked. So these are pretty simple to install. I mean, it's like 1, 2, 3 bolts. It's in pretty much. So we're gonna just real quick speed round. All right, it's in.
Damn.
Yeah.
What was that, like 5 seconds?
Maybe 4. Depends on what country you're in.
Jeez. What, zip ties installed?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's held in by zip ties.
Nice.
That's how you properly do BCs.
Nice. So we're gonna do a speed round. See how fast we can get this shit undone. See if BC's really about it. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. That's how you take out a fucking
What was that?
shock.
Let's say our guesses. I'll put it on the screen.
A minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes?
I say 2 minutes.
I say 3. We're gonna go for 3.
Well, that was.
Shit's out.
That was
Springs out, shock's out. So, this side's in.
Dude, we're like full lock right now.
We're like what?
That's full lock.
Sweet.
Finally low. But like, I'm already low, bro. I'm just gonna stay the same height.
Well, with springs compared to BCs?
Cut springs.
So you're not putting BCs on?
Nah, bro. We're just
Cut them a little more?
replacing the cut springs.
You did a really nice job on cutting these.
Yeah, I cut them really good. The trick is to cut them even. If you don't cut them even, they're gonna drive terrible.
That's the trick.
Yeah, first time I didn't cut them even, so this time.
Should we insert the clip of last time you cut your fucking springs?
Do we have a clip of that?
I think I do.
Dude, let's put it in. Straight out of the box, brand new springs, never put on a car, just straight cut.
Alright, so we got the front all done. It's not set, but it's in. We're working on the rear now. Not that much left. I think we have like, that's out. You just need to pull it off, actually.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Very easy.
Yes. Brother, it's fucking mint. Look at that. It's not even on the fucking ground and it's mint. It'll be.
Didn't touch the settings, so.
We'll see what they offered you. See if they
We'll
said.
see how they want my car set.
See if they said you're low or if you're a pleb.
Yeah, hopefully I'm a pleb.
Hey, here, did you see your car since you've been going to that car wash?
What is that supposed to mean?
What?
They waxed it, they cleaned the wheel. Look at her car, man, with some wave at it.
Okay, so Harrison and I may have messed up. There's tons of wheel gap. I mean, this side's not on the ground, but there's tons of wheel gap. On this side, there's no wheel gap. Oopsies.
We have the back of the settle.
Okay, so this is on the ground all the way. Well, not on the ground, on brick stands, but it's on the ground. And the rear is fucking stupid low.
The rear and the back, dude, just looks perfect back here.
Are you
That's awesome.
Are you gonna send it and leave it or what?
No, I can't do that.
Come on.
I can't do that though.
Why are you standing like that?
Sound like what? I'm just assessing.
You know what? Give me the keys. Come on, give me the keys.
I'm in the cup holder. I
I don't need to give him in the cup holder.
How do you adjust the maximums?
Take the wheel off.
You gotta take the wheel off?
Yeah.
That's fucked.
It's pretty low though. You think it's too low?
Yeah. Back.
Yeah, that baby's low though. Alright, so we lifted up the rear a little bit. I don't know if it's enough still, but we're gonna send it.
We'll see if it works.
Okay, so we just had it on the ground and it didn't work. We couldn't even get out of the fucking driveway.
Yeah, it's my exhaust.
Yeah, so we're going even higher. Alright, so we got it off again. We're gonna see what happens.
See if we get out of the garage, then the driveway.
Barely. Here, try to go to the bottom one, see if we can get it. Oh, that's not that bad. The fuck is that noise? What's that noise?
Might be the brakes.
Oh, it's the dust shield. That's what it is. We bent it. I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way to that way. Oh, fuck.
I need a phone. You got your phone on you?
Yeah. You want me to try the other way?
I can't get it. I'll just have to.
Yeah. Might have to take the wheels off again. Yeah, I think it went on both sides. I think we fucked up. Okay. Okay, that's not bad at all. Yeah, I'll throw a couple bricks under there.
Coils are on. Tomorrow I have to adjust some things. The back's like perfect. The back's probably right where I want it, but the front's a little tall.
Dude, front, you already scraped coming in the driveway. I don't think you should go too much much lower.
I'm just gonna make sure the threads are even.
Look, 2 fingers, okay?
Alright.
Not 2 fingers, 1 finger. It'll go in. It's a loose vagina. But I say go a little lower.
Okay.
Maybe a little lower.
Alright. That's it.